예, 안녕하세요, 수하씨. Welcome to online Korean language classes. My name
안녕하세요,
is Rajat
선생님.
Kumar. 예, 수하씨. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요, 선생님.
예, 안녕하세요. So, welcome to once again online Korean language classes. My name is Rajiv Kumar, and today I will discuss about the topic is grammar. Is name is an. Okay, an. Okay. So, Suhasi, let's discuss
Okay.
about it.
Okay.
Okay. Let me share you my
Yes,
screen
sir.
now. Okay. So, today's grammar pattern is called an. Okay. Read the disclaimer.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, 18 chapter on. This is an adverb of negation placed in front of a verb to express speaker's practice in the negative, which means not in English.
Okay. So, basic meaning is 1 second. Basic meaning of this is this an. Wait 1 second. I need to draw. So, basic meaning of this an is negative. Okay, not in English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in Hindi that is nahi. Okay, so this
Okay.
is an adverb of negation placed in front of verb,
Okay.
before verb. That is means before verb. Okay, to express speakers
Yes, sir.
practice in negation. Okay, let's see in Munjang Yonsam sentence practice. We have some word sentences which we use while saying in negation. Okay, so let's practice one by one. Take the first sentence.
Yes, sir.
Read the first this one.
Yes, sir.
I don't
I
drink
don't
coffee
drink
at night.
coffee at night. Ba menen coffee ral an. Yes, sir.
An masyoyo.
An
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, read this one. I will not go to
Yes, sir.
school on Saturday. This one. Read this one.
Saturdays.
Read this one.
토요일에는 학교에 안 가겠어요.
Next,
So
I will.
토요일 will be Sunday, right?
No, Sunday is Irioil. You forgot. Week name.
Oh, yes. Correct. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Ideal. Yes, sir. Toyoil is okay. I got confused.
Okay, no problem. So next, read this one. I will not go to movie on Monday.
Next one.
Hmm.
I will not on Monday. 월요일에는
Wario Irene.
극장 or
Wario Irene.
영화관에 월요일에는 극장 or 영화관에 안 가겠어요.
Okay. Yes. Next fourth sentence.
Fourth sentence. I do not eat meat. 저는 고기를 안 먹어요.
Read this one again.
Next one.
This one.
먹어요.
No. It's simple.
먹어요. Sorry.
Mogoya.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
먹어요.
Next sentence. Read. This one.
Yes, sir. Next one. I don't buy clothes in the market. 시장에서는 옷을 안 삽니다.
Next. This one.
I do not buy shoes in the market. 시장에서는 구두를 안 삽니다.
Okay, very good.
Next
Seventh
sentence.
one.
He is not a professor. Okay, sir. He is not a professor.
Hmm.
Kusaraman Gyosunimi Aniyeyo.
Good. So here,
Eighth sentence. I did not go to Delhi for 5 years.
hmm. Read this.
Yes, sir.
Read this one.
Shall I continue, sir?
Yes, read this one, this line.
Sir. I did not go to Delhi for 5 years.
Hmm.
Onyon Dangan. Yes, sir. I did not go to Delhi for 5 years. Onyon Dangan Delhi e Ankhasoyo.
Okay, an. So before verb, you have to put this an. Here also.
Yes, sir.
An is this is already in this one. Okay. An before verb and here also before verb. Okay, mokta. Okay. To drink masitaso masyoyo and before verb. Okay. Here again khada and khagesoyo and khagesoyo. Okay. Khada go. Okay, before verb. You have to put. Okay. So understood this
Yes,
grammar how to use in Korean language. Okay, while making sentences. Okay, now read some word
Yes,
meanings. Then we'll move to book. Okay, book I
yes.
didn't type here on the conversation. So read this word.
Yes, sir. Yes.
First read.
Meet
I'll
Gogi
change
like
it.
or as Jo.
Choron.
Okay, yes, sir. Like
Choron. Repeat
like
it.
as
Choron.
Joram, wedding hall, Gyolhun, Joram, Joram, wedding hall, Gyolhun Sikchang,
Gyorhon.
Park, Gongwan, Gyolhun. Okay, sorry, Gyolhun Sikchang. Then Park, Gongwan, decoration, Chijang. Yes. Expectation, Gide. Luxurious, Haryohada. An elephant, Kokkeri.
Kokiri.
Night, Balm, Kokkiri. Sorry, Kokkiri. Then night is balm. Wedding ceremony, Gyorhansik. Traditional dress, Jontong Uisang. Congratulations, Chukka. Nearby, Guncho. Red Bulgan.
Palgan.
Most welcome. Sorry, Bulgan. Most welcome, Dehwanyang.
Taehwanyong.
To ride, Dehwanyang. To ride, Tada.
Thada. Okay. Okay, so good. Till here, any questions do you have?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So let me this pause this.